story: The Elephant and the Sparrow. Once upon a time, there lived a big elephant in a green forest. He was very strong and very proud. He thought he was the strongest animal in the forest. He did not care about small animals. One day, the elephant walked near a small tree. On that tree lived a tiny sparrow. The sparrow sang sweet songs every morning. The elephant did not like the sound. He shouted, "Stop singing! You are small and useless." The sparrow felt sad but said nothing. The next day, the elephant again came near the tree. He shook the tree with his trunk. The sparrow almost fell down. She flew away quickly. Still, she did not fight. She thought calmly. After some time, the elephant went to the river to drink water. He did not see a deep pit near the river. Suddenly, he fell into the pit. He tried to come out, but he could not. He shouted loudly for help. No big animal came to help him. The sparrow heard the elephant's cry. She flew near the pit. She saw the elephant inside. The elephant felt ashamed. He said, "Please help me. I am sorry for being rude to you." The sparrow flew to the nearby village. She chirped loudly near the farmers. The farmers followed the sound. They came to the pit. They used ropes and strong branches. Slowly, they pulled the elephant out. The elephant was free at last. He thanked the sparrow with a kind heart. He said, "I was wrong. Size does not matter. Even small friends are important." From that day, the elephant and the sparrow became good friends. The elephant never troubled small animals again. Moral: never underestimate anyone. Even the smallest friend can help in big trouble. Thank you for watching this story. Remember, even a small friend can give big help. Be kind to everyone around you. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe. Watch more simple English stories with us.